Hi everyone, welcome to this week's video. So the problem says Henry's dartboard is shown below. It consists of concentric circles of radii 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. If he hits sector BAD, BAE, or DAC, then he will award himself with 10 points, 8 points, 6 points, 4 points, or 2 points, depending on which section of the sector. He will get more points if he hits a smaller section. However, if he hits sector CAE, he will give himself negative the amount of points he would have gotten for the same section on a different sector. After 3 darts, what is the expected number of points Henry has? So the sectors where he gets positive points are BAD, BAD, BAE, and DAC. So basically, all the sectors except for this one. So for us, since all the sectors are the same, we'll zoom in on this one. Okay, so he gets 10 points for this one. Gets 10 points for this one, 8 points for this one, 6 points for this one, 4 points for this one, 2 points for this one. So since the radius of the circles are 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, then we should first find the area of each section. So this is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So the area of the green circle is 2 squared pi, which is equal to 4 pi, which means that the area where he gets 10 points is equal to pi. So he gets 10 points, has an area of pi. And the area where he gets 8 points, so the area of the blue circle is equal to 4 squared times pi, and 1/4 of that is 4 pi. So the area where he gets 8 points is 3 pi. Similarly, we can get 5 pi, 7 pi, and 9 pi. So that means that the total area of this sector is equal to 25 pi, right? So then there's a 1/25th chance of him getting 10 points, 3/25ths chance of him getting 8 points, 5/25ths of a chance of him getting 6 points, 7/25ths of a chance of getting 4 points, 9/25ths of getting 2 points. So if we add that up, this is 10 over 25, this is 24 over 25, this is 30 over 25, this is 28 over 25, this is 18 over 25. So if we add, we get 110 over 25, 110 over 25, and this is equal to 22 over 5, which is equal to 4.4 points. So 3/4 of the time, he is expected to get 4.4 points. However, in this sector, which is 1/4 of the time, he gets negative points. So it's like that. So then that means that this is equal to 2.2. So each dart has an expected 2.2 points. So then that means that if he throws 3 darts, then the expected number of points Henry has will be 0.6.